Hey guys, just here with a video. I'm gonna do a little bass demo in my garage. I switched the setup up. Instead of doing it outside, I'm doing it inside just to get away from people, so I'm not bothering anyone. So I'll go ahead and show you what it sounds like from the inside, then I'll go in the back and then show you how the sub looks. Switch to that low bass. And I'll turn that. In my last videos, I was kind of just going for normal songs, not like really bassy, just kind of how you'd be listening as you'd be driving, like not too crazy. But now I'm gonna be showing videos of just, you know, going max out. So like and comment, subscribe for more. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll respond back. Thank you for watching.